Hey guys, LechK here in the middle of my sauna build. I'm about to install the piping and the chimney for my stove, and I wanted to give you guys a really quick breakdown of what you actually need to install your chimney stove. There's a lot of confusing information or lack of information out there to do this easily. This is the simplest, most efficient, cost-efficient way I found to do it. I will give you guys all the part numbers and breakdown in the description below, as well as the cost, because a typical simple chimney exhaust kit will cost you about $1,300. This is probably less than half of that. But adapter to connect to the stove, 6-inch. In the US, I think that's the minimum required. 6-inch exhaust piping. This is the single wall extendable piping to go from the stove to the ceiling. Then you have your ceiling support box. Then you have the triple wall chimney pipe. It's got to be at least 3 feet. Storm collar that goes around it. And then your rain and animal protectant cap for the chimney. I'll show you guys the stove, show you guys how everything looks open, and then I have a fully detailed video on how to install all of this. This is the stove we're going with. Used it before my buddy's Roman sauna build. I have videos on it already if you want to check out. And basically it's going to go install right to the ceiling here. Alrighty, here's everything unpacked. Here's our adapter, nice and heavy duty build. Everything is marked which way the exhaust flow goes, that's important. So this goes to your stove. We're gonna combine these two extension pipes together, that will go in there. This is a decorative tip. Then the stove pipes will go to our box, ceiling box. They will connect right in there. Our chimney pipe will go into this one, which is the guy right here. These are just decorative squares that come with it to put it against your ceiling once installed. This is 11-inch. My ceilings are not that high, so that's all I went with. You can go with the taller boxes and cut them to size, which we'll do in the video on how to do it. And then chimney pipe, triple wall, nice heavy duty stainless steel. Also marked which way exhaust flow goes. Storm collar that will go around your chimney pipe, and then it will be over the flashing here, which I forgot to show you guys initially in the boxes. This will sit in the roof, chimney will come out of that, and then last will be the cover for the chimney. And that's really it. That's what you're gonna need to install a stove. Check out my video, full video on how to install this. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.